Today I will get my lunch from Easy Mealbox. This machine is modified by my team where we added our own microwave heating system into a standard vending machine. So let's see how it works. So step 1, select item. Okay, let's select item. Yeah, besides the food, there is also cakes, biscuits, and also drinking water, but it's non-chill because this is a rethought food product. So for example, I want to buy this. Okay, just pay by QR. Hold on. Okay, so 9 ringgit, pay. Okay, successfully pay. Have paid. Okay, then you can see payment successful. You can hear the sound. Yeah, then the timer start running. So means the microwave is activated and food is heating now. Counting down. 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's ready. Yeah, my food is here. Yeah. Is my nasi and also the ayam masak merah. Okay.